Hi, Te! Happy birthday! Malapit ka na palang mag-join ng Fab 4O Club! So, I wish that you keep aging as gracefully as you have been. Gaya ko, charot! And I wish you many more happy and healthy years ahead of you, and that the universe continue to guide and protect you always, and that you also continue to find beauty in all things and light in this very dark world that we now live in. And sana hindi ka nakagatin ng mga lamok sa Texas. And sana lumamig na din para mag-enjoy pa kayo lalo ng mga bata ni Drew. What else? I hope you are getting a lot of birthday love on your special day. And that's it. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ten!
Happy birthday, Ninang! We wish you happiness sa birthday mo and every day. Thank you for being a great sister and a good listener. And thank you for being, I can see na you're a good wife, a good mother to Alon and Alab. And we wish you happiness. And we love you so much. Love you, Ninang. I hope enjoy ka dito sa Vegas. Happy birthday!
Hi, Te! Maligayang happy birthday sa'yo. Today is your special day, so enjoy lang. Have fun, and I wish you many more birthdays to come. So, ingat, God bless, and happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Carla. Just wanted to wish you the very best of birthdays. Hope this upcoming year is your very best one yet, and it's full of love, happiness, and the best of health. Hope all of your birthday wishes come true. Also, just wanted to say that I'm so thankful for you and all that you've done for our family, for you being such a great wife and mother and a sister, as well as daughter-in-law. So thank you for being such an amazing person, and I am so grateful to have the honor and privilege to have you as a sister. So happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Carla. We wish you nothing but happiness today and always. We love you. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Carla. We love you, anak. Enjoy your celebration. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Okay,
Love you.
Happy birthday, Tikar!
Happy birthday, ti Carla!
Happy birthday. Kobe,
Birthday.
say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tikar. Love you. See you soon.
See you
Celebrate
soon.
tayo sa weekend nung nandito kayo. Okay, happy birthday! Bye!
Happy birthday! Carla. Chi! Happy birthday, Chi!
Happy birthday.
Sabi mo, happy birthday nila. Oh, so, let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Carla.
Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Wishing you more blessings. More blessings to Papa Jesus.
Yeah, see you soon.
Papa Jesus.
From Papa G.
Bye-bye. 1, 2, 3, go.
All right. Happy birthday, Carl.
Happy birthday,
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Carla.
Hi, Carla.
Happy
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh,
Carla, saan babalak mo sa mag-celebrate ng birthday mo pag dating mo rito?
Carl, 37th birthday ka. What's your wish? Your birthday wish. But ako, I wish you all the best. I wish you happiness and good health always, and showing, you know, whatever you have, your blessings are. Thank you also for being the best daughter. Thank you so much. You bring a lot of joy to us.
Yeah. Okay, see you on Wednesday. Text
Okay.
na lang kami. Okay.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Happy birthday again.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Bye.
See you Wednesday. I love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. Pasensya na sa lahat ng kasalanan ko sa'yo. Alam ko marami akong atraso, marami akong pagkukulang. Pero mahal na mahal kita. Sana maging masaya ka araw-araw. At makuha mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. At nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Alam mo yon. Mahal na mahal kita. Again, pasensya na sa lahat. Sana maging mas maayos pa tayo everyday. Mag-improve tayo. And sana lagi tayo magkasama hanggang tumanda na tayo. I love you.
I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
Anything else you want to say to Mommy? Say thank you for all the good things that she does for you.
Thank you for all the good things you do for me.
And Alab,
And Olive,
you are the best mom ever.
you are the best mom ever.
We always love you
We always love you,
and we miss you all the time.
and we miss you all the time.
Hope we can spend a lot of time together for a very, very long time.
I hope we
Spend.
spend time together for a very, 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 very long time.
We love you.
We love you.
Kiss. Kiss. Kiss, Mommy. Do a flying kiss. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Kiss, flying kiss.